Let me explain to you what is intellectual property. The very simplest way to explain it is it starts in somebody's mind. That's where the property starts. So it starts with an idea. And this is the formal definition from WIPO, which is the World Intellectual Property Organization. So it says intellectual property refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. IP is protected by law, for example, patents, copyright, and trademarks, which enable people to earn recognition or financial benefit from what they invent or create. By striking the right balance between the interests of innovators and the wider public interest, the IP system aims to foster an environment in which creativity and innovation can flourish. So it's a case of creation and being able to benefit from that creation as well.